Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together. Welcome back. We are back, and what are we doing this time, girl?
All around the world?
All around the world.
I've been around. I've been around the world.
Let's take it back.
Okay, good.
So, I mean, I think it's fitting. Right now, the Olympics are taking place, and so it's a celebration of world sports, athletics, and so what a better time than to go around the world. So,
Fair.
I'm excited. Kind of, there's some on this list where I'm like, ooh, I don't know about that, but we're gonna try it, and we're gonna be game, okay? This particular recipe, we're hailing from Europe, specifically Italy. Okay, to start off with. And this is called the Bombardino, okay? And I'm gonna explain a couple things because I had to substitute something because I don't read. Reading is key, friends.
Oh yes, reading is fundamental.
So the Bombardino, it says, is the ultimate Italian winter cocktail.
Ooh, child.
Made with a combination of brandy, VoV egg liqueur, and whipped cream and cinnamon. So I'm gonna stop you right there. As you can see, do you see a egg liqueur on the table? No, you don't, because we're filming in the summertime. So I probably should have picked something different, but it's okay. We're gonna go ahead and this is what we're gonna do. So what I have done is I've made a substitution to the best of my ability, which I'll explain momentarily. But let's just start off going briefly through the ingredients. So it mentioned brandy. So we have a brandy, which we've never had before. This is ABK6 cognac, very special. It was highly rated at Total Wine, and so
Nice.
if you're wondering like how Total Wine does their ratings, they actually have like their customers rate like the liquor, and so I got like a 93 or a 96. It was somewhere in that range. So
Okay.
and it also is a part of the World Cognac Awards, so it's it's recognized. So we'll taste that momentarily because, like I said, we haven't had it.
Got it.
Okay, the substitute instead of the VoV egg liqueur or eggnog, which you could also use, we are doing Bailey's. Okay, the Irish cream, the Irish cream is the best kind of substitute that I could do other than making that myself. And what I'm telling you is I wasn't gonna make that myself because it was gonna go.
She's not gonna do that.
There's other things that I will make, okay, but I have no use for that. And in such a large quantity.
And we don't even know if it's gonna be good. But no, we no shade. We're gonna keep an open mind.
We're gonna keep an open mind. We also have the whipped cream. So what we make is gonna be topped with whipped cream and a dash of our ground cinnamon. So, like I said, we haven't had this cognac before. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out. Ooh, can I open it though?
Puerto Rico.
Yeah, you know. In my little travels, I like to
Get a little shotty shot.
get a little shot glass.
Shot o'clock. Good. That's what I like.
All right, so
It smells like yak.
it smells like yak for sure. So let's see. Okay,
It's smooth.
that's a good cognac.
That is definitely for y'all Henny. Y'all like to stay in Henny. Y'all should try this.
Y'all should branch out.
There's more to it than just Henny.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and assemble.
Okay.
So the recipe says it's 1 part brandy to 2 parts of the Bailey's. I think I'm gonna go 2 for 2.
Okay. Fair enough.
I mean, so we will put the recipe as is. I really like this Brandy, so.
I'm gonna use a shot glass to measure.
Yeah, that's fine.
Well, so we can be on the same playing field.
I mean, you know, whatever the ancestors tell you to do. The recipe says 1, my ancestors said 2. Since you have the Baileys on your side, you can start. So that's 2 ounces of the Brandy.
2 ounces. Good. I don't know about this one though. This one creamy, y'all.
Yeah, we don't need no stomach aches.
Ooh, I hope this don't curdle.
Oh, it shouldn't, because it should be fine. It should be fine. I think. We'll know. I mean, if they were gonna have an egg liqueur in this, right?
I mean, we substituted them.
I know. All right.
Do we stir?
Yeah, I'm just give it a little stirry stir.
Oh, look a little eggnog or chocolate
It's
milk.
like a little. We probably could have had the smaller glasses had I known or paid attention, but
That's probably one of those shot type things.
like a little whoop. Yep. And then you go ahead and top with whipped cream as much as you're.
Are you? Oh, you got some.
Yep.
Did you stir?
I did.
Oh, I didn't even pay attention. All right.
You good?
All right.
You know what? Also, what you could do is, you know, Cardi B be promoting those whipped cream joints.
Vodka shots, but then I'll be mixing at that point, wouldn't it?
It would. So I wouldn't advise necessarily. But if you're looking for a little razzle dazzle, right? You could jazz it up by, adding you a little alcoholic.
It's
whipped
like
cream.
a little frappe shot.
I know. It's cute.
You know what? I don't even want to reminisce that.
We are not ready, because let me just tell you before we taste this, I was scrolling on Facebook and I saw an ad for a Christmas tree. The level of disrespect. We have not even.
It is July.
Christmas in July. Yeah, but still, I'm not ready.
So I'm gonna give this disclaimer up front. I bet not see y'all screenshot me with my whipped cream on my mouth.
Yeah, don't do that.
Don't do that.
No, that's petty. Petty.
That's diabolical.
Okay. Cheers. Cheers. It's strong as hell. I'm gonna tell you what. It's perfect for the wintertime. Cause if you in the snow, this gonna warm you.
This
gonna
like
warm you up.
eggnog. Can you imagine we had the actual egg liqueur?
Oh, it'll be bomb.
But this tastes like eggnog already.
Yeah. So I think it would be even better. Ooh, and this, like you said, the spiked eggnog. Ooh, you be lit. At that point, you wouldn't be adding the brandy because it would already be mixed into the eggnog.
Now I understand why they said 1 fish out of brandy.
Well, who's starting? You want to start? Okay, no, you're about to die. Okay, all right. She gonna try to get her voice back because right now that yak is attacking.
Yakety yak in the back of my yak. I'm sorry. I'm thinking to myself. Go ahead. I'm listening.
Thinking out loud, I see. Okay, so I like this. I will definitely make this again in the winter because I'm going to try it with the actual liqueur. Since I don't read, like I said, and didn't think this through, but it's very tasty. It reminds me of the holidays, for sure. So, God damn.
It hit you in the back. Sorry. Put some hair on your chest.
You're a fan of something,
Go ahead.
Jesus.
Sorry.
So, like I said, I like it. It gives me that like holiday vibe. I'm gonna give this, as we start out on our around the world tour, I'm gonna give this an 8. I'm gonna give it an 8. I like it a lot. The only thing is, this is what I'll say: if you are lactose intolerant, baby, this is not your drink. Nobody needs you tooting and footing all over the place.
Tooting the foot and then you might get the booting.
Or something happened, one of them farts is wetter than you thought was gonna happen.
Oh, that's a shark.
That is a shark.
That's a shark.
So, or at least at a minimum, take your pill before to deal with that stomach.
You're on a racetrack.
Oh, Lord. Jesus. So that's all I would say is if your stomach is
Bubbling.
bubbling,
Oh, my stomach bubbling.
then maybe this isn't for you because it's, yeah. Anyhow, so that's my spiel. What are your thoughts?
I am in alignment with you. I'm giving this a solid 8. I definitely think this is something that I will drink in the wintertime. Now, will I drink it with a meal? No. This is more like a pre-type thing before dinner or probably after dinner, like a dessert. Yeah. Or just, relaxing by the fire.
Right.
Just to get a little hair on your chest, because that's exactly what I probably got going on right now. But other than that, a solid 8 for me. This is definitely good. I actually wasn't too scared of Italy, though.
I wasn't too scared either.
No, I'm keep that to myself.
Oh.
But
Okay.
yeah, no, solid 8.
Okay. Yeah, because we had several candidates for Europe, but we wanted to try something that we haven't tried before, or that was like it was different than things that we typically try.
Right.
So that kind of narrowed down a lot of the choices. So this is a good first start to this. Would you try it? Okay, let us know. Like, comment, and subscribe below.
And ring that bell.
Right. As far as Europe goes, what are some of your favorite European-inspired cocktails? Can be from anywhere in Europe, okay? Like I said, this happens to hail from Italy. There's many, many more countries in Europe.
It's huge.
It's big, so
It's huge. Wait, who goes?
huge and big. Maybe we should stray away from. No. Sorry.
Is it the yak?
I mean, I'm only like 3 sips in. So...
Anyway, but you doubled your dosage.
Well, I did.
But
I did.
anyways, Europe is large. That didn't make it better.
It did.
Nonetheless, you should try this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that bell. And also let us know any other, like she said before, any cocktails that you have been inspired or had when you went traveled. Definitely, just let us know in the comment section. Other than that, we will be back.
Yes.
For hopefully continuing around the world in a good travel.
I will just say, full disclosure, we're not going to take anything from the U.S. because we're here all the time, okay? We're from here. And Antarctica ain't in there because what do they drink? Polar bear piss? So, I actually never met somebody from Antarctica, so I don't even know, what do they... Anyway.
Do people travel there?
Well, like scientists and stuff that are like wanting to study.
You know any scientists?
Yeah, but not that would travel there.
Okay, well, there's that. All right.
Yeah, so anyway, we'll be back.